y'all, it's Kay with Sonora Kay Creations, and right now I am currently working on trees for the month of February. Amethyst, and we're going to be making these one with a moon and one without a moon. And that looks like that. So one will have it, one without. And then I'll be adding in a swing to take pictures. I'm not actually going to make 4 trees. I'm just going to take pictures at various stages of creation for the listing. But I need to get these trees made because they're going to be released next week. And we have the listings made. And I don't have the trees made yet. And I need to get them made. So So this is February's tree. It's Amethyst. These will be released, today is January 12th. January 12th. Ooh, so these are going to be released right here in the next couple of days. I think we have it on the calendar for the 15th. Where's my calendar? The calendar is buried. Friday. They're going to be available on the 16th. Okay. Oh good. That gives me just a little bit of breathing room. So I do really need to get these pictures taken and edited. So yeah, there we go. We are done, and hopefully I'll get this video out before they're released, because that's kind of my intent. I want you to be able to see them before they're ready. Okay? So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you again later. Bye-bye.